نحمده ونصلي ونسلم على رسوله الكريم. أما بعد، أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. ما يلفظ من قول إلا لديه رقيب عتيد. وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم: كل كلام ابن آدم عليه، لا له إلا أمر بمعروف أو نهي عن منكر أو ذكر. Honorable President, respected parents and guests, first of all, most welcome for coming to Jamia and for giving beauty to this gathering. Today, I would like to draw your attention towards an important issue of the society, which is the misuse of time and our responsibilities. Respected guests, Allah Almighty has blessed man with numerous blessings, and one of these blessings is the power of speech. Although this tongue is a very small organ, but it is like a double-edged sword. It is the power of making or breaking a person. This tongue can take a person to the greatest heights or to the lowest depths. This tongue can either make a person worthy of heaven or can put him off to the depths of hell. That is the reason that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Man yu'malli ma bayna lahayhi wa ma bayna fakhidayhi faqad lahu jannah." Whoever believes in Allah, whoever guarantees me what is between the two jaws and what is between the two legs, I guarantee paradise for him. Dear listeners, if we